if you're experiencing frame stuttering in Overwatch 2, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. This can significantly enhance game performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Overwatch 2. Navigate to the options menu and reduce settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that consume a lot of CPU or memory can interfere with game performance. Use the Task Manager to identify and close these applications. Step 4. Optimize power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. This setting can be found in the control panel under Power Options. It ensures that your system prioritizes performance over energy savings, which can help reduce stuttering. Step 5. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Additionally, check for any network issues that could be affecting your gameplay. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your gaming experience with Overwatch 2. Enjoy smoother gameplay.